Welcome to our video on 5 effective tips to reduce hand swelling. Whether you've experienced hand swelling due to injury, inflammation, or medical conditions like lymphedema, these tips can help alleviate discomfort and promote better circulation. Let's get started. Tip number 1, manual lymphatic massage. This gentle massage technique helps to stimulate the flow of lymph fluid, reducing swelling. Use light, rhythmic strokes starting from the fingertips and working your way up the arm. Remember to consult a certified therapist for proper guidance. Tip number 2, compression. Wearing compression gloves or sleeves can help improve circulation, reduce fluid buildup, and provide support to the hand. Consider using compression garments specifically designed for hand swelling. Tip number 3, ice. Applying a cold compress or ice pack to the affected hand can help reduce swelling and inflammation. Wrap the ice pack in a thin towel and apply it for 10-15 minutes at a time. Remember to take breaks in between to prevent frostbite. Tip number 4, kinesiotape. Using kinesiotape can provide support and promote proper lymphatic drainage. Apply the tape around the swollen area, following the guidance of a knowledgeable professional. Tip number 5, exercise. Gentle hand exercises, such as finger stretches, squeezing a stress ball, or opening and closing your hand, can increase blood flow and reduce swelling. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine. Remember, while these tips can offer relief for hand swelling, please consult with a healthcare professional for underlying conditions or severe symptoms. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and information on health and wellness.